It is important to improve your marks in grand test, but remember, if you're not improving, then please do not think that you cannot improve in your mind, in your final exam or in your main exam which you are going to write, right? So what I'm saying that try to improve your marks in the grand test, but if you're not getting good marks, please do not get demoralized and do not stop giving it. Please remember, do not stop giving it. Keep on giving your grand test and try to have a track on your preparation. And how you can improve your marks in the grand test, basic foundation starts from the revision of your notes, revision of your notes for those topics which had been asked in previous year exams, right? So please keep on seeing previous year exam question paper, FMG question paper, or INICET question paper, or NEETPG exam question. So these topics are very important. Keep revising from your notes, and then you go to the grand test. In grand test also you can divide question into 4 sets. Number one set where you know that correct answer is this one, and you know about that content, why it is the right answer. Second type of question, second category of question will be that where you are ruling out 2 options but remaining 2 options you are stuck up. So in those I will say that whatever is striking first to your mind, mostly that will be correct answer, so you can go with that also. 70-80% time you will be right. So when you are attempting like this, try to track on those questions, mark them, and when you come home, then you just have a retrospective analysis. You have given 10 guess, how many are correct? So suppose you are seeing that 10 guess you have given and you are getting only 3 or 4 correct, that means you need more number of revisions. Please remember what I'm saying, you need more number of revisions of your notes, right? But if you are getting 7 to 8 correct, that means you are on the right track, but that does not mean you don't need more revision. Still you need more revision of your notes, right? So this is for 2 options, right? Even I will say that third category of those question where you are ruling out 1 option also, you should go for that question also, because chances of getting right answer is 33%. So what I would like to say that do mark those questions also, come home after the grand test and try to analyze how many of you are getting correct. And remember, those who are you are ruling out even 1 option, that number of questions should not be beyond 3 to 5, because if you start doing for 50 questions, probably it is not going to work. Just do it for 3 to 5 questions, come home and see how many of you are getting correct. So if you are out of 5, say I say 5 is you are attempted and you are getting 2 correct, that means you are going right, right? So that is what I am saying, that because this will give you confidence for the last moment, then only your exam, final exam, you are going to improve your marks because of these practices, right? Fourth option will be those questions where you have not heard them, but when you are reading the stem of the question, means when you are reading the question lines and you are seeing the option within a fraction of nanosecond, it will strike to your mind that this option should be right answer. So you try those questions also, but remember they should not be exceeding more than 2 to 3 questions. So now you understood. So last 2 categories which I have told you, like even you are ruling out 1 option, or even you are knowing no answer, you have never heard of it, but that any option is striking first to your mind. So these questions should not be amounting to be more than 5 to 6 in your main exam also, right? And keep track on these things, how many of you are getting correct out of these guesses, right? Don't get demoralized. So check yourself and keep analyzing yourself, maintain one diary and try to write it down that how you are improving. So this is the way you can improve your grand test. And remember, use your grand test for your time management also. You should know that how you are going to manage time in your exam, right? This is how you have to build the trick, and you have to build the habit to follow up your grand test and try to improve on your marks. Even if you're not improving, but it means marks are not improving, but you are improving. Now you understand what I'm saying. Your marks are not improving, but you are tend to revise more and more. Your energy is getting more channelization for the revision of your notes. It means you are on the right track. Keep going on, and please remember, trust yourself. I'm telling you again, trust yourself. Your marks, whatever you have got in the grand test, whatever you have got in the past in NEET-PG or whatever exam, is not going to decide your future. Your future will be decided by that day which is going to come in your exam, and you have to prepare that day with a total focused and positive mind, and I'm sure that you people are going to shine in your exam. So once again, my best wishes to all of you, and keep writing your grand test. Apply this trick, you will definitely shine in your exam.